Revitalize with Lumenant's Therapeutic Lighting. Feel energized during the day and sleep peacefully at night with our state-of-the-art solution. Our lights restore natural circadian rhythms by changing hue and brightness to mimic the sun, promoting active days and peaceful nights.
With Lumenant Solutions, it's really been beneficial for our residents that do suffer from some form of a cognitive impairment. It allows them to be more energetic, active, engaged throughout the day, and have restful, peaceful evenings.
Consistency is very important because they have to have a routine. If they deviate from their routine, it kind of throws off their day.
The lighting is beneficial. We utilize it as a tool. If I need them to be more reactive, I can turn the lights up. If I need them to calm down, then I can turn them down to be able to help them be the best they can be while we're here.
Say goodbye to feeling tired and restless, and hello to a reinvigorated and refreshed lifestyle.
I think lighting is very important because lighting is part of being alive. Makes you feel joyful, and you feel good when you're in an environment that is pleasing.
They'll actually say in our main living room, God's given us another bright day. You hear them reference the lighting. It is 100% has a lot to do with their mood, how well they participate, whether they want to participate.
When I come in, I feel refreshed, I feel awake. The first time I ever got to see the evening, I was really just like, wow, this is great. To be able to see how the lighting had changed and even the residents' moods had changed. That's how I know it really affects them well.
Feel energized. A life of wellness starts with Lumenant.